This is rhythm number 36. We're going to use the first line as our example. The quarter note, the dotted quarter note is our beat unit at the moment. And let's check it out. Here we go. Is the first beat divided? Yes, it is. What's the smallest note value? Smallest note value is the eighth note. There are 3 eighth notes within one beat in this compound meter. So there's going to be 3 events of tas or claps. In this case, there's 3 notes, so we're going to do ta, ta, ta. Is beat 2 divided? The answer is no. We'll ta here and hold through to beat 3. Is beat 3 divided? The answer is no. And we will not voice a note because we have a dotted quarter note rest. So we'll clap here. Is this beat divided? The answer is yes. What's the smallest note value? The answer is an eighth note. How many eighth notes are in a dotted quarter? There are 3. So we're going to count for 3 eighth notes and have 3 events within this one beat. The first one is an eighth note. We're going to ta on it. The second eighth note event is here. There's a rest, so we'll clap there without voicing it. And the third eighth note is here. We'll ta it. So we have ta, clap, ta. Is this beat divided? Yes, it is. What's the smallest note value going on here? It is an eighth note. There are 3 eighth notes per dotted quarter, so we need to account for 3 events with either tas or claps. This first one would normally be a ta, but since it's being held over here, we will clap it while we're holding the note. And that will mark the beginning of this beat by clapping. We will clap here, unvoiced, and then we will ta here for the third eighth note within this beat. Last measure. Is this beat divided? No, it's not. Is this beat divided? No, it's not. So we will actually clap to start this note while we're still holding the note over because it's being tied over. We will clap and tying all the way through until beat 2, and then we will keep holding that note all the way through to the end of the measure. We'll clap where beat 1 happens, and we'll clap where beat 2 happens. Here's our steady pulse. This is the dotted quarter note pulse. Eighth notes would be jun dun 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 jun dun 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 in our compound meter. Here we go. Ta 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 ta, and that is the first line.